Didn't
to
promote
people
nothing. We were talking
running me
about.
down on my live
We
and
were
stuff to
talking
promote
about.
stuff.
I promise. We were talking about coming out of the closet, and I just let you know I
And
fully
I said,
support
"Are
the
you
baby,
have you
and that's why
come
I said no. But I have the agency, and I don't need to because I can't. Because if I was, I would. Because I would be happy. I'd be way
really,
more up.
really?"
I think so because it'd just be a different world that I could experience. But unfortunately, it's just not going in that hole.
Hmm.
It's just not.
Hmm.
But it's not wrong with
Well,
whoever,
this is a
whatever.
court.
Hmm.
Um, do you enjoy having sex with women?
Yes, I do. But I like talking too. Every now and
Trans,
then
huh?
I like talking. To certain some of my friends. You know what I'm saying, here and there. But
What do
yeah,
you
I do like it.
mean?
Meaning like I do have conversations, and conversations are important. But fucking is probably probably when you at your best time with somebody, like connecting the dots. Yeah. So yes, I do I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Actually, I love it. If we're just being honest, I enjoy it a lot.
Enjoy what?
Having a good time with a beautiful woman, you know, preferably, my ex-wife, but it just um unfortunately right now we just trying to figure it out. But God bless, we co-parenting really good.
God bless what?
God bless us co-parenting really good. So,
Amen.
so we can just co-parent, and I can be the
What?
best.
What? Who?
I
Who
can be
is
the
your
best.
God?
All things all things are centered around us, this God, right? So it's not like you got Allah, you have God, you have Jesus. Everything is the higher power. So it's just about the higher power. That's all. It's about, because I'm not a human. I'm not a human. I'm a manifest sapien. I'm a manifest sapien. I'm a manifest sapien. You still there? Yes. Okay.
Manifest being your ass the fuck up off my motherfucking phone. Cause every time I ask you a question,
I said, who is my God? And I said, all gods is God. And then I said, I'm not human. I'm a manifest sapien. I manifest. So I'm not human. I'm more alien. That's all. And I don't want to, did I step over? Did I say something wrong, Nikki?
well,
I'm gonna keep it real. I'm having a good time. Like I'm having a really good time right now. And I'm not gonna lie. and 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 whenever you want to like cut me off of here, just don't hang up in my face. Just give me a good exit. Like don't, like, you know what I'm saying, as a barb. Just don't, you know what I'm
why do
saying.
you keep calling yourself a barb? Stop.
Okay,
You
that's not
are
okay.
Ray J.
I'm a barb. Shit, like if I'm not, I live, but that don't mean that I'm alive, because I'm alive as
Huh?
fuck. You taught me that.
What?
To live doesn't mean you're alive. I'm alive. I'm living,
Amen.
but I'm lit. You you taught me that.
Okay.
You, and thank you. I didn't mean to stand up like that, but I have to believe in myself.
What happened with your career earlier in the beginning when you put out an amazing album with One Wish?
It was
What the fuck was
independent.
you wearing?
I can't see it. Like now I really want to see everything. These are my glasses. I'm a 3.0. But I'm not selling these. I got these from CVS.
Soldier Boy, we had spoken about Undercover Brothers before.
Okay.
And
Shout out to the Undercover Brothers. I feel like the Undercover Brothers should just take the
thank
cover off.
thank you. And that's what we want to hear you
Take the
say.
cover off, brothers. Unfortunately, if that's you want me to take the cover off, I can't. I can't make myself take a cover off. I'm sorry, but I can't. But
Hmm.
shout out to the agency. You know?
Well, I guess, when you're bisexual, some people don't even look at it as if they're
Yeah, I think when you that, I think that's in there too, though. Pause. I mean, it is in there. It's in there, but
you don't have to
um,
pause it.
well, it was in there, and I just
I bet it was in there.
well, it wasn't in there.
I don't know how long it was in there, but I
No,
was
I
smart
don't
with
think it was
you.
ever in there.
I tried to add Soldier Boy, but it couldn't come on. Anyway, but it's not about that right now. I just wanted
I
you to
think
make sure.
I think what hole people want to be in is totally up to them, right? And I think that if people show up to work on time, if you are dedicated to your dream and the team that you are with, what like when you leave work or what you thinking about in your head, why does it matter what hole you enjoying? It's not right.
Well, people, it's
It's
not
not.
about what whole. It's not about what whole.
It is.
It's about.
It's about the hole.
Yeah, I know Soldier Boy was making you a moderator because that's the only option I had. It didn't let me add you as another guest.
I mean, when they say
Okay,
I got the whole world in
Ray
my hand, I got the
J,
whole world in
it's
my
not
hand. I gotta
about.
be
It's
careful
not
because I'm thinking
about
they
what
talking about booty
hole.
holes.
It's about who the hole is on. So stop acting dense.
If I was acting dense, what does dense mean?
Wait, hold on. Before
Mm,
comment, remove block,
no,
remove pin comment.
remember
See
that
it.
song? You got
It's
the
only
whole
letting
world
me.
in your hand. You got
I
the
can't do it,
whole
Soldier Boy.
world.
But Ray J,
Mhm.
let me ask you something.
Yes, Mrs. Petty.
Um, what you didn't you was you just fighting people in the club?
No, I was being the better person in the club, and I want to always be the better person, and I want to start practicing being an advocate for mentorship programs for entrepreneurs that's making money that's possibly might fall off the deep end. That if they were mentored correctly, and if we can put some seminars together,
Ray J, but I will completely not only click on you before you
okay.
finish your sentence, but I will
Oh,
block you. Okay.
okay. So now, so
When
what you
I
want to
ask
what you
a
want to know?
question, it's to be answered. This is a court, sir.
You right.
Okay. You came in trying to do, you've been trying to get my attention. Now you got it.
You
Okay.
got it.
hmm
Mhm.
Were you just fighting in the club? Yes or no? I don't want.
No, not no. We didn't have a fight. We had a big argument. All right, I was at the club.
And who started it?
This time, I think I got loud and got aggressive, but it was the third time it's happened, and so I felt like I needed to like stand up for myself. Even though I was talking shit and we was having a lot of crazy words, I was walking that way to avoid the issue. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
And that's what happened. And it's unfortunate, but what's dope is that we all got on the phone. We talked for
I
about
didn't ask
35 minutes.
you that. Don't care.
You don't care about the peace
Listen,
about it?
at what point? So you saying someone approached you, and this is the third time y'all been having this argument. What was y'all arguing about?
Comments that I was making on my show, on my
Oh, you
news
got
show.
a show?
I mean, I'm on the news now. I'm a news anchor.
What?
I'm a news anchor. Yep, I'm on the
You don't
news.
know what the fuck to do with yourself, huh?
No, I'm having a good time.
You're
I'm,
not.
I am, Nikki.
You're not.
Like,
Good
what?
is a word you.
I'm having a great time. I'm alive.
Amen.
You taught me that.